In the past.
Very
The
good.
past.
Okay. Something that happened in the past
With
without specific timeline. Okay, what else?
uh
Used in the past but have connection to until now.
Okay, very
yeah.
good. Give me one example for that, Sophia.
She has been the doctor at this hospital since last year.
Very good. She has been the doctor at this hospital like last year. Correct. Something happened. Something that start in the past and still going on in the present. Okay, what else, Anna?
Experience to the present.
Very good. Give me an examples.
Um, I have um
Okay, for example, now I will give you guys. We try to remember this one so we can go to the next one. Let's try with the share travel or activity. Like yesterday, I asked you guys to do the homework about the describing a place you have been and using the present perfect tense. So now, number one, we share the travel activities that have you ever visited another country or a famous place? And then you gonna answer me the question, okay? Ever visited? Okay, Anna, answer with the present perfect tense.
but I don't know like exactly how to say.
Try to answer this question using the present perfect tense.
I have visited America, the US.
Very
Uh,
good. I have been. Oh, okay, I have visited America, USA. That is okay. Number two. Now we talk about try something new. All right. For example, what is something new you have tried this year? Have Julie? Julie, try with the present perfect tense. Julie,
Uh, I think is I have been tried.
no, not I have been. I have tried. Let's pick up
Something.
anything. We just giving an example to for the structure.
Uh,
For example, I would say I have learned to cook. What about you? What you have tried?
I have tried to learn martial art this year.
Very good. Okay. Don't go this year. Don't just stop there. You don't need to try. Okay, this year is also all right because the question mentioned it. I have tried to learn martial art this year. Okay, number three. Uh, let's say Let's talk about your study. Peter, what have you studied in your extra class recently?
I have studied quite a lot of I have studied quite a lot of uh wait I have studied quite a lot
You can
of
only
subject. Oh yeah,
try
I have
to
studied.
pick out one subject, just one subject.
All right, but you say extra classes.
So you can pick one out of the extra classes you want to talk about. For example, I
All
have
right,
studied
I
literature.
have. No, please don't do that.
Okay,
I would pick another one.
all
I
right.
have studied physics.
Physics, good, interesting. Okay, scene.
Since the since since the end of since the end of June.
Okay, so let's just say since June. If you say since the end of June, is a bit specific already and would not be able to use the present perfect. Okay, now talk about food. Mm, okay, this talk about food means sharing an experiences. Okay, so what interesting food have you eaten, Kevin?
I have tried pho when I'm 5 years old.
I have tried or I have eaten. What did you say? What food is that?
Pho. Since
Ah,
when
okay. Sin,
I
maybe don't just like this. Just it. Don't go with sin anymore because this is talking about your experiences. So you don't need more of that. Okay, number 5, we ask someone. Uh, this kind of this kind of thing you're gonna use for your writing. The exercise yesterday. Okay, so try to develop your paragraph about what have you done, what have you tried, what have you seen, what have you talk about, like ask other like this. So you can use the on the present perfect in the writing of the homework yesterday. Okay. What has you done that's what has your mother or your dad done that surprised you? Mm. Ba.
Uh, what has what has uh there's yeah. My dad has surprised me by buying a brought bought
Has bought
has bought a new violin.
very good. Bought me a new violin. Good job. Okay, you don't need to say the word surprise again. Now, okay, the last one. When you want to describe more, you can talk about some what the practice, the thing that you have done or you haven't done yet in the trip. For example, I have already went into the word to look for some stick, or I haven't walked around the camping site. I haven't gone to the beach because I was scared of the waves. Okay, this one, you gonna all of the six part here, you're gonna try to produce, to apply in your writing. Okay. Now, with the present perfect in mind, we're going to talk about past. We talk about the present already. Now it's the past. What would be the difference between the past tense and the present perfect tense? Can you guess, Sophia?
I think that the past tense is only described in the past, and the present perfect tense is describe the past but have connection to the future.
So how would be the structure? So the present perfect tense, we're gonna use have, has, and then we go into verb in the past. Now, what would be the structure of the past tense? Anna,
Me?
Anna.
We have to use had.
And is there any difference?
And verb is the difference too.
Okay. Actually, the verb we're gonna use also similar the present perfect. Can you read this one, Julie? To get Julie speak, so that she be able to stay awake.
The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened before another action in the past. It is formed using had plus the past participle of the verb.
Okay, so it's the same like the present perfect that we still use the past participle of the verb, but we change have, has into the past, and it's more simple. We just need to use the past tense, past perfect tense to describe an action already happened in the past, but before another action also that happened already in the past. Okay, so you just need to remember this happened before another action in the past. So try to think first what are the kind of example you would have when you want to use the past perfect. Here are the form, the structure that we build with the past perfect tense. No, similarly, we had the positive form is just simple. We had the had and the past verb, and the negative had not had, and this is symbol, and the question had she finished the test. Okay, this is easy. So when you use the past tense to describe the thing happened before one thing in the past, you could have us understand. Okay, can you read this part, Peter?
The past perfect tense enables so the sequence of events in the past, emphasizing which action happened first.
Okay, so we can describe, you can see a series of things that happened. Go on, the examples. Kevin, can you read the example?
Yes. Example, by the time I got to the party, everyone had already left.
Okay, so everyone left already, and I had got to the party. Okay, so that what thing happened after each other. So in the past tense, we would always see this before, after, and then by the time. Because we need to know which one happened first, we can happen later. That is why we're gonna use this. You can check out some example here. She finished her chores before she go to the park. So we had before. That means this one happened first, and then this one happened later. Okay, she go to the park only after she finished her chores. So that's why we had to fix this verb into the past tense, past perfect tense, had finished. And the things that happened already, the things that happened later, we use in the past tense. Okay, be careful. This is always in the past tense, but the action happened before that is in the past perfect tense. Also, for the next one, they eat breakfast before they eat breakfast before they leave for school. So they had eaten breakfast before they left. Remember, this one always in the past tense, past simple tense. While the action that happened we put in the past perfect tense. He had read. He had read. Okay, we are talking in the past, so this one you have to pronounce as read, not read. He had read the book that she had lent to him. Okay. This one we don't know. We don't have the before or after, but it's actually we know the sequence that she lent him the book after she read it, and then that boy read the book. Okay, so we know which one go first and go later to decide the past tense. All right, let's try the examples. Okay, Sophia, can you read the example? Try to fill the missing part.
Yes. By the time she arrived, I finished my homework.
Where is the past perfect tense?
Finished.
I had. Okay, next one, second one, Pha.
They have finished dinner when I got there.
Okay, so that happened before, and then I got there, which happened in the past. We put it in the past tense. Kevin?
He had ride a dragon until that day.
Okay, very good. He had to fly, maybe try to say flown a dragon until that day. Okay.
How about he
Or seen.
get lost? Like he had lost.
He had not, wow, even more positive. Or he had seen. Okay, now let's try this quiz. Number one, Peter. Be careful, okay? Remember which one in the past and which one in the past perfect.
To the library. She uh uh she had already finished the book before she returned it to the library.
Already finished? Can you find a better one? What do you do with the book? You
She
finish the
had
book?
she had read the book before she returned it to the library.
Okay, don't say you have finished the book. Okay, when you say finish something, that means you are destroying it or you will clean it out. Okay, number two, Anna.
They they
they had visited an ancient castle after they learned about its history.
Okay, it could be very good. They had visited, or maybe they have never seen. Okay, number 3, Julie.
Um, I had never seen the a magical creator until the moment when
When I
well uh
Okay, what is dungeon? Do you know? Do you know dungeon mean?
Like a jail?
Like what? Dungeon is like what?
Like a jail. They made
Okay, but it's
we keep the crime in the cave.
but we say but it's underground. We would say it's underground.
Now, dungeon can also be in the surface.
No, we don't
It's
say the
game
dungeon.
experience.
We don't say dungeon is in on the ground. It's a dark and underground prison. Okay, so we had magical creature. I have never seen a magical creature until that moment when I enter the dungeon. So I entered the dungeon and I saw it. I seen it. Okay, for now, I will keep this one as a practice for you guys, as a homework for you guys to practice later. We're gonna review a little bit the part that we had discussed in the last few days, the origin of the universe, before we moving on to the next section. Okay, how would what are the kind of assumption that you know people guess where the Earth come from, where the solar system come from, Anna?
Can you repeat your question, please?
So we know that our solar system is very teeny in the whole Milky Way or galaxy. So where does that come from?
I think that you mean what God come from, teacher?
Everything, the Earth, the Sun, the other planets, the star.
It's like
Like from the
some
beginning. From the beginning, the sun just stay there, like where do you come from? The
I
same
come.
question.
So they believe that our universe is begin with a theory,
And what theory is that?
Big Bang. Its name
Okay,
is
so there are actually some assumption that not just the Big Bang theory, but the Big Bang become the most popular one and being able to accept it by most of the scientists, the philosophers, and even some cultures. They believe that what is the Big Bang?
There is a huge how to say, like, is explode, a huge explode of a lot of rock. I don't know. It's by we call that is
The rock is something happened
nucleus.
later. The rock happened later. Okay. The explosion, that was correct. Big Bang is a huge explosion. Here, can you read this one, Julie? Only this part.
The theory states that the universe began from a very hot, dense, and tiny point. Singularity around 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since.
Ever seen? What happened to you? Okay, so from the people believe that from the teeny point that the universe began to extend and slowly it like just play with a stretchy what rubber. So you keep on pulling the rubber, so, like extending, like expanding or extending. But it did not stop. The universe now still believes that it's still expanding every single years, decade, and 100 years. Okay, so let's see in detail what is an explosion actually. Sophia,
Yes,
could you read it? This is the whole point of the Big Bang Theory.
the Big Bang Theory, the scientific explanation that the universe started as a single, extremely hot and dense point that expanded rapidly, creating space, time, matter, and energy. It is not an explosion in space, but an expansion of space itself.
Expansion. Okay. So now the explosion that I used the word explosion before, is actually an expansion of space from a very teeny spot. So let's say from out of nowhere, that creates a space-time matter and energy. And keep on making the energy, the huge energy. And okay, then what happened in still why we had the solar system and so on. Anna, could you read this part?
What part, teacher?
Number 1, please.
Singularity.
Mm.
About 13.8 billion years ago, all matter, energy, space, and time were concentrated in a single point. Example, imagine compressing the entire universe into a dot smaller than an atom.
Okay, good job. Good spelling today. So the singularity, actually, they're talking from a single dot, single point. Now we had number 2, inflation. Inflation, understand that for equal to expanding, equal to stretching the singularity here. Okay. Let's say, I will already give you an example. When you try to stretch, when you try to pull the rubber, the space also work in the same way. Only that the rubber have its limit, but the space until now it doesn't stop stretching. And after inflation, we had the formation of fundamental particles. These fundamental particles are the basic particles that build up the whole solar system or anything that happened in the universe before. Okay, let's see. The name of some particles that we believe having from the beginning of the universe. And then those particles that moving very fast, in different direction. It combine, it collide, and it form the atom. That means it's bigger than the particles with about 400,000 years ago. And this also, by moving so fast and collide each other, it also create the light, make it be able to move freely. This step, after step number 4, after formation of the atom, we had the formation now, building up the stars and the galaxy 200 million years after that. Okay, so the Milky Way, which is our galaxies, formed billions of years after this stage by